YouTube. We are here at the Candle, Miami, Florida, waiting for Becca. So we're waiting for her. She swears to her husband that she was right next to the vehicle. I guess she's not. I'm just gonna give her 5 minutes. She's not here, she's gonna have to pull back in. Nothing we can do. That's my truck. This is my truck. This is a 2017 Hino 258. Got a little problem with the marker light up there. Something wrong with the connection. Waiting for the mechanic to fix it. There she is. Little dirty. We be having some bad weather down here in Miami, so it's kind of hard to keep it clean. Sometimes even impossible. We run a Chevron flatbed on this one. Most of the other flatbeds are Centuries or Miller, but this is a Miller. We run the reflectors tape in the back. Gotta get a new set. Redo it again. When it's clean, it's shiny, man. It's just I haven't been able to get a time to clean the truck. So dirty. Everything's weekend. So this is the life of a tow truck driver. Sometimes we have to wait. She better get here, otherwise she's gonna have to find another ride. Damage on this car.